love it when I turn off the bass.
Right here about all that bluegrass, you know.
I think North Tunnel will have a toolbox. We'll see. It does have a toolbox.
What the hell's going on? Oh god.
I hate that it makes me grab that health, man. That's crazy.
The shed basement also has one.
I don't want to waste this health either, but
Looking to storage right now.
South Tunnel has one.
I can't work on it anymore. No, I can.
Oh, thank god.
Oops. We woke him up.
get up to it, get up to it. Oh,
Got shed basement open.
damn, there ain't nothing spawned in here.
I'm in a safe
Sheesh.
spot at least.
It's too foggy.
Got Bubba on me.
My boy
Alright.
Cook.
South Tunnel by mechanic shop. No, not mechanic shop. Fucking bush ladder.
What's through here?
I got let me just open one of the
Sissy's up here
doors.
as well. Sissy's poisoning the health in the middle of the map by Grandpa outside. Like where he spawns
Okay.
outside.
Open tool storage. I'm gonna open a more like exit cell.
Okay.
Have you done a shed? Storage
She's
shed
running
at
so
all?
radiant.
Shed is open, yes.
Oh, you guys are crazy.
Have you done
Sissy's
house,
right
hallway? House, basement?
Oh, she on me. She on me. She on me. We good.
I don't know about that. I'm going up tool storage though. We got enough open down here.
Wait.
Alright,
I don't know about house
basement?
basement though.
House basement is a really good one to open.
Yeah, that is kind of essential. I haven't been there yet.
Especially if the fuse is in there. So I'm open. I'm
Got
open.
Bubba's
He
up
on me
top
in
of
the
the
house.
shed, destroying
Cookie's
shit.
in the house as well.
Oh, sugar. Just
Open in the house,
Tripping
right?
now. I should have.
I'm gonna die.
I should have not
House
been
basement open?
doing what I was doing.
Work on thicket next, and then I'll get out and go upstairs to help you guys. Open up south tunnel. The
Got
thicket
Cookie Sissy in
exit.
the house.
Alright, gotcha.
Bubba's in car parts storage, destroying dressers.
Alright.
Need to get
Big
through here so I
bridge
can
then.
heal
Make
up.
some
I
comms.
Fucking
need
Luke
help.
and Sissy bitch ass.
That was weird. Bubba just like looked at me in this bush and then continued on.
No health.
Bubba stalled.
No health here either. Holy.
Alright, I'll try to go. Did they padlock the red container?
Do I die for grabbing that? Do I die? Do I die?
I still got Sissy
There is
and
a small
Bubba on me.
health and thicket tunnel, like if down on the ladder area.
I got
Can you call us
a
to where they're at?
box open, but Cook's
I got
here
the
with
wall.
me.
Left
Container?
padlock and
Container
the
bridge?
generator off.
Just on Bubba on me.
You
in
have the
house?
box open right on the container bridge.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How are you?
Alright. I'm trying to go for the gas station.
Cook doesn't know
Oh,
where
ain't
I'm
no
at.
way I bled out. I'm
Cook
dead.
don't know where I am.
Sissy in the house. Bubba's in the house as well. Mr. GG.
Wait, you're
Let
not
my
even
death
padlocked
go to
this?
vein.
Two-thirds
Cook's
of the gas
grabbing
station.
blood.
Left side. I think there's another padlock. Let's see.
You're doing, like, the generator left side, right? You didn't get to
Yeah,
the secret
generator left
door yet?
side.
Alright.
No. I got the left side done. They didn't even padlock it.
I want to see how long Cook stays up. Cook's swinging at just the grass over here. Okay.
Okay. Nice.
Give me one more lockpick, and then I'll do secret door in a bed.
Hell yeah, I'm getting sliced up for my team, man, so they can get out.
Somebody got the left door open.
Sonny.
Really nice.
Sonny, keep an eye. Watch out for the
Lights up.
chicken though. Secret. They didn't even padlock the secret door. What are they doing? Okay, just fucking
You're
go
not
gas
supposed
station.
to padlock secret door.
They didn't padlock anything though.
Sissy's back here. You got it up.
Yeah, are you running to the exit?
Yeah, I can run out. You good over there in smoke room?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm not even gonna use my ability.
I might need a hit.
Done. It's done. It's done. Okay, I'll get a hit for you. I'm wasted.
God
Just
bless.
keep running. You're good. You're good.
Yeah, I'm
He's
good.
outside gas station.
We did
Should anybody have
left,
stamina?
right?
I'm
We
not
did
out of stamina.
left, right?
I have 2 slide.
Yeah.
Left,
gate
left. I'm wasting 60 time
Bubba's
right now.
chasing me outside. He's wasting his time.
This is
open.
padlock.
Left, I said.
No, he padlocked battery. That's crazy. This guy.
Oh, he's only got. Okay. That's weird.
That's
fucker.
insane that he just did that.
Well, gas station's wide open. Go left.
Yeah, but
Man
they're gonna
didn't
be
get smoke
outside.
room, but he walked
Yeah,
all the way
yeah.
across the map and put one on car battery.
They already outside.
Oh, yeah, he could put one on the secret door potentially, or on the left gate potentially.
There, heal right here. Yes.
Is anything I can use?
I just say run for it, unless Bubba's there.
Yeah, I gotta hit a crack though, so I can get my speed.
Left, okay? Left gates. The left gate for the fucking car bat. Sorry, not car battery, generator.
Somebody was just here. See that? You get that slippery and we gone.
I can do this.
You can use the ability and then choose flight out of there. Just go past it.
Just in case they...
It takes a little longer. They might catch up a little.
Robbing me soon enough.
Run,
slam both
bitch!
of them. Ah!
Damn.
Boy.
Damn,
Yeah.
son.
We're out.
Yeah, look at that ass. Boy, look at that ass. Woo,
Don't die for it though. Don't die for it. Don't die for it. Don't die for it.
I'll never die.
Oh, it hurts
I see you die for it.
so much.
Some things are worth dying for.
No sacrifices. All of us need to get out. We need to have no sacrifices. One game. Get that quadruple escape.
Oh, they ain't got no cook. Say less.
Facility, here we come, baby.
Say less.
Anything I can use?
When I go there, workshop, is there spawn? Still 2-box spawn, that's dog shit, okay.
Hey, do you change your name to AG? Yeah, it's Fonzo. It's Fonzo. Golden, what up?
This'll help. Anything will help.
My boy Sonny about to get busy.
A lockpick.
I don't
Alright,
feel
what are
so
you working
good.
on, Anna? You're gonna work control
Say again?
storage? What are you working on, Anna?
Yeah, don't
Working
Sissy
control
come from
storage?
generator too? That's crazy.
No, Sissy comes from battery. Hitch comes from Jen.
Oh, you already opened it.
Shit, I'm about to hit left facility right now.
Is your bone room open?
Bubba's in there right now. I'm trying to get it.
This.
I'm on left facility right now.
There's a killer up here somewhere.
There's no
Yeah.
padlock, yeah.
Finally.
Oh, Hitchhiker's here, my boy. Go, 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 go.
I'm just gonna distract him.
The door slamming?
Getting locked.
He's swinging too early? He's gonna be coming, dog.
One room's open.
You can use this.
Alright, I'm going to go fucking the other side. The red facility door. Sorry, not facility door, the red,
Slaughterhouse, cattle shoot.
yes.
Yeah, latch that thing. It takes him 5 hits to do it.
Okay, less. Door be open for then.
That one's done.
Doors open.
Left, so you don't at the start. Not
I'm doing mine
the
too.
slaughterhouse door. The red door is open.
Shit.
You see,
They all,
whoa.
they both over here.
Oh
They're
yeah,
both
yeah,
over
I'm
here.
poisoned. I'm poisoned like a motherfucker.
You guys need. Okay, I'm gonna one tap the next gate.
Get
Actually,
out.
I'm not gonna one tap it. I'm gonna.
All
Get in
three
that
are over
well.
here. Jenny. All three at
Holy, I'm
Jenny.
about to be in cat
All
like a
three at Jenny.
motherfucker.
All three at Jenny.
Forget Jenny. Just head to
Yeah,
slaughterhouse.
yeah,
That's slaughterhouse.
Don't go, Jenny.
I didn't have slaughter. I don't have the
I'm getting the
I don't have
cattle chute.
the slider.
Open right.
Yeah,
I'm getting
okay,
it
you get
open
the
right
cattle
now.
chute. Okay.
Hey, what's
Put
this?
another toolbox.
You 100% see me.
Alright, can you work on the car battery if you're there? Are you close or not? I'll work car battery, it's fine. I can one tap the next gate.
I'm running back there right now.
I'm almost done loading dock. Sorry, I'll just get the car battery done and then I can one tap the last gate.
Can I use that?
Generator just got kicked off.
They have to be
Yeah,
around
you
here
just turned it
somewhere.
off. I think you better let me escape.
How
Oh, he
come?
letting it. He let me out.
He doesn't give a fuck? Okay. How nice of him.
Yeah, he let me out. He let me out. Hitchhike let me out at Jen.
Like on purpose?
What a
Saw you,
guy.
right?
Yeah, I was going weird.
Got both. Everything's open in slaughterhouse.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
All doors. Pick anyway.
Yeah.
Bubba and Hitch are over here at Jenny. I think Hitch may be selling. He turned the Jenny back on while Bubba's still out here. Oh shit, I ain't want to leave. Fuck. Yeah, Hitch is selling heavy. Hey, GG's Hitch, if you in here. If he in the stream, my boy, GG's.
You still gonna post Rogue Company videos or not? Probably not. I don't even want to touch Rogue Company Golden.
I got this.
Come on out.
Connie, I got it alive.
He literally just let you out.
Yeah, I guess he had
Gave up.
enough. Yo, Hitch, what? My fucking. Hey, appreciate that, Hitch. Thank you, man.